first, be taken aback and not immediately give a yes back. Well, then no need for offenses and sighs. Don't argue here, just wait for the skies. This confusion isn't so bad. All that's important is yet to be had. La 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 la. And it's unlikely to mean much when in response to your loving touch, she suddenly looks down and cries, or even initially from you flies. For such tears probably sound like the song of a nightingale found. Tears by God or bad at all, consider that she's yours, stand tall. La la la. However, that can be misfortune when the reply comes in a tune to phrases full of admiration, harshly ambitterly no an explanation. And yet, if you don't lose your way and move forward again, come what may. If you hope, if you strive, be strong and tender and you might thrive. Happiness will come again, it may. La 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 la. La 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 la, la la. But if nothing shakes her, and with sweet simplicity, she's no faker, she proposes a friendship to you. Even God can help you through. Bid goodbye and go home, be a taker.